Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So off my last video, I think it was Cassandra that said that she would like to see how I put the flower together that was on top of the notepad holder. And so I actually have a little time here before I have to do another appointment. So I'm going to go ahead on and show this. And it's very simple, but I am a visual person as well. So for me, you can tell me sometimes all day long how to do something until I see it, then it makes it click. So I'm showing this Crafter's Companion, the Roses in Bloom. Like I said, I placed a rather large order with Crafter's Companion on their site. They ship from the UK, and so I got a bunch of these type sets because I need brainless. So I got the pad, and then it you can get the die set that puts the impression, that cuts it out and also gives it more depth and dimension details into the printout. And then they also made a stamp to go with it, and I bought that as well. And I noticed that they did have some that did not have a, it just had a pad and a die. And I didn't buy that because to me, you're just sort of limited. And so with the stamp, when you get tired of looking at the color that they did, you can color it up and cut it out with whatever color you want to. And of course with the stamp set, I think it's just, I haven't even opened this one. I think with the stamp set, it's just one piece. I don't think you can, yeah, it's just one piece. So yeah, but for me, the outer die would cut that one. That's why I bought that. All right, so it's so simple. Like I said, when you cut it out, you line the dies up. If you line them up right, they'll cut out. So on this sheet right here, they tell you how to layer them. So see, that's the base one, and then you just build up from there. And then the flowers. On this die, they only gave one flower. Wish they had stem, leaf. Yeah, I wish they had a did two, since it's two of them on here. But like I said, it shows you how to layer them up. So the base piece, I don't have any foam on. I just do one layer of foam. All right, and then here's the second one. I'm standing up. I stand up when I film, so hopefully I can line this up right. And I'm not going to press it hard just in case. Here's the next one. As you can see, very simple, brainless, when I tell you. And then the last one. Let's see. Yeah, and so you get your dimension like that, and then you can tuck your leaves in on this side, or either on this, right here if you want to. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope that helped you, Cassandra. I hope that's who it was. I do apologize if I got the name incorrect, but I wanted to do it while I had some time, because I am always in these streets. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I'll be back with another video. I hope this was helpful. Bye.